Angibingelele ngixolise ukwenza ivideo efaka ukudla okuvuthiwe. Kodwa ngithe ake ngize lapho kwemithetho yakhona ingaphikisi kangako kufana ngale ku TikTok. 9 out of 10 kwabantu engibahlolelayo bagangelwe imali. And abantu abaningi bakufunda kimi ukuthi imali iyagangwa. And umuntu uma ngabe bekhunge ubuthakathi bakhe ngemali, awusoze wamelapha, awusoze wamsiza ungaqalanga ngokulungisa imali. Labathakathi uma ngabe beyintshontsha le mali, not ukuthi they only physically take it away from you. They don't only do that. Some spiritual beings, they are capable of holding something that is solid or tangible like this. As I always teach, the perfect time to steal somebody's money, spiritual or using spirits, it's when that person is performing a ritual around December, festive seasons. And the patient labantu, they will still, let's say they want to work. What the largest amount do I have here? I don't know how much is this. Let's say they want to work on, how much could this be? 10,000. They want to work on 10,000. They are not going to steal or take 10,000 straight away. They may take 500 rand. They are very patient. They may take 300 rand until the amount that is needed is obtained. Then they will then go and bewitch you and make a covenant and say, okay, let's say they resurrect a spirit of a dead person. They will go to that person's grave together with your money, together with your clothes. And they will say to the person's spirit that will be in that grave, we want you to wake up and go and live in the body of the owner of this money. And if that person no longer wants you, he or she must bring this money back to your grave. That's the only way you are going to be removed. Why are they saying that? They know that it is not possible for our modern seers to locate the grave or to search for the cause of your problems. They will only tell about your problems. So searching for the cause of your problems means that you will have to go back to the day, the year of the meeting, and spiritually listen to the conversation that was spoken on that day. That's when you'll know ukuthi imali yasetshenzwa. Somebody's spirit was resurrected and sent to your body. Now this person's spirit works or operates as a guardian angel that blocks positive things from coming or happening to your life. So when we consult, I'm not saying people must ask for consultations, but I'm teaching. We need to find out, how were you bewitched? How much was used, provided that maybe money was used? Oh, 10,000 rand. Then you first have to break the covenant that was made using the very same amount of money that was used. How many stacks do I have? One. From different people. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a lot of money. 4. That's a lot of money. 5, 6, 7. I wonder how much is this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I also have 50,000 rand that I needed to withdraw. And the trick is, if maybe I become greedy and take just 50 rand, the owner of this money will still see no change in his or her life. I don't know what the gender is. All this money must be reversed. But how do I do that? You do it spiritually. If you reach the level of understanding the things of the spirit, then you will understand. But for now, just listen and try to understand what I am saying. Would you take, it is January now, ne? Would you take this amount of money? I don't know how much is it. Would you take this amount of money during this time and go and do the proper thing that you are supposed to be doing. No. When I work with this money, the people who send this money are not here. But they'll have to believe that I'll do what I promise them to do. Even if I take the money and go and buy a car, they won't know. Even if I take the money and go and buy something, they won't know. But the only time and the only way they will see that I did not cheat, I did not misuse the money, is when they start seeing changes in their lives. 9 out of people who have went to church to see us some gomas trying to seek for help and they see none, it is because their witchcraft includes money. So as I separate it like this, somebody sends the money and I withdraw it. Okay, you sent how much? This one sent this much. 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 And it's January the 10th, if I'm not mistaken. January the 10th. But I'm obligated to be honest for the people to see changes. Have you ever heard or find out somewhere that when they bewitch you, they use the money? No, you have never. And genuine healers, they don't know what I'm talking about. Some may rise and stand up, hey, you are lying. I'm saying genuine healers. Few of them knows about this method of witchcraft, about this method of deliverance. It's only abatagati that knows lento engikhuluma ngayo. So yabona this side of TikTok, I'll have enough time uba nginifundise ukuthi okay ubuthakathi buhamba kanje, ubuthakathi buhamba kanje, ubuthakathi buhamba kanje. I'm not saying cela ukuhlola, but ngithi mina funda ukuba ubuthakathi usuhambe inyanga wahamba kuphi ngaphandle kwamazwe ngoyofuna usizo wangalithola usizo. Ngesikhathi bokugeza kusuke kusho hayi wonke umuntu kusuke kunemali egangiwe. Makube njalo.